refraction of light. XY is the transparent surface. N O N dash is the normal. Normal is the perpendicular line which is drawn on the surface to understand incident ray and refracted light ray. Here is the source. S is there, okay, and this is the incident light ray which is coming and hitting the surface at O, and this is called angle of incidence I. After hitting the surface, the light will pass through the transparent medium XY. I'll call it as a OB, and the angle between the refracted ray and normal is called as R. R stands for angle of refraction. Okay, this is the rarer medium where the speed of light is more, example air, and this XY is considered as a denser medium where the speed of light will be reduced. Let us take another surface XY, and this is the normal NON dash. Now the source is kept in the denser medium. Okay, now the source is kept in the denser medium. Now the light ray is traveling from the denser medium and it is hitting the surface at O, and this is called angle of incidence. I'll call it as the incident light ray. And while traveling from denser to rarer medium, it will go away from the normal. It is called angle of refraction. Okay, in both the cases you can observe one thing: when the light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, it will slightly bend towards the normal. If there is no XY, the light ray will go straight like this, correct? Here also, if there is no XY, then light would have gone like this, correct? So there is a change in the path of the light while traveling from rarer medium to denser medium or from denser to rarer medium. This is called refraction of light. What is refraction? It is the phenomenon or process of change in the path of the light while traveling from one medium to another medium. What makes to change the path of the light here? Because there is a change in the speed of the light. Clear? Okay, I can say that NO is the normal. Okay, NON dash. XY is the surface. XY is the surface. Here I can say that AO and OB. Here also this is a source, yes. This is A. O is the incident light ray, OB is the refracted light ray. AO in both cases, incident ray. I is called angle of incidence, or we will call it as angle of refraction. Angle of incidence, angle of refraction. Okay, next one we have to observe one more thing. When the light ray by chance, if it is passes through the normal, it will go undeviated. Okay, when light ray normal undeviated, either it goes from the rarer medium to denser medium or it goes from the denser to rarer medium, it will go undeviated. But in overall case, what is refraction? It is the process of change in the path of light while traveling from one medium to another. Okay, here what makes the light to change its path? Because of change in speed of light. Clear? This is all about refraction of light.